Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You start by enabling the TV side control. First, power down both devices and plug the source into the HDMI ARC or eARC port. Use a high-speed cable that meets 4K/120Hz or Dolby Vision needs. Now power the TV on and go to Settings, then External Inputs and find HDMI device link. Turn it on. Once done, make sure the connected device supports HDMI CEC and is configured to allow remote control. This is the only way Bravia Sync can pass commands through HDMI. You now configure the source device for two-way control. Power it on and find its HDMI CEC setting. Manufacturers call it Ethernet Plus, SimpLink, Bravia Sync, or SEC. Enable it and allow TV remote control. Next, set auto power on via HDMI so the TV or device will wake the other automatically. This reduces manual steps. Once configured, use the TV remote to test play/pause, input switching, and volume control. If those work, Bravia Sync is actively relaying commands through the HDMI link. You finish by confirming full control and addressing issues. Verify that the TV remote operates device power, transport controls, and volume. Map custom buttons if the TV supports it. If something fails, reboot both products, reseat the HDMI cable, or try a different ARC/eARC port and cable. Most problems are physical layer. If problems persist, disable then re-enable HDMI device link on both units, because a reset often clears handshaking errors. Remember, only HDMI CEC through ARC/eARC enable.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.